While Honda and Toyota are the two biggest names in the auto industry, there is a significant difference between the two in terms of global reach and driving experience. Honda is the world's largest motorcycle maker, whereas Toyota is the largest automobile manufacturer in the world with the top line of hybrids and coupes in its pockets. Let's see how Honda cars compare against the Toyota's top lineup. Honda is a multinational conglomerate based out of Minato, Japan, and is the largest manufacturer of two-wheel drives in the world. It is one of the largest automakers in the world, which is pretty much synonymous with safe, economical, and fuel-efficient vehicles. Whether it's the top-selling crossover SUV, the CR-V, or the NSX supercar, or the seductively appealing Accord, Honda has a great line of hottest cars to choose from. Let's not forget the classics such as the economical yet classy CRXC and the very sleek and seductive Prelude Coupe, which remains the best in its class. From the first real motorcycle, the Model D, in 1949 to the sporty B-Star VT1000R, Honda has come a long way to become one of the largest motorcycle manufacturers in the world. Toyota is the world's largest automotive manufacturer based in Japan. The history of Toyota, like many other car makers, starts with something other than automobiles, in this case automatic loans. The company actually originated from Toyota, as in Keisiro Toyota, son to the founder of Toyota. The name was officially changed to what is now called Toyota, from the birth of the founder Sakichi Toyota to the dramatic success of the hybrid electric car, Toyota Prius. The company has been operating its business with a focus on increasing production and sales. Today, Toyota is the market leader in the hybrid electric car segment and the largest automaker in the world. Difference between Honda and Toyota. The Honda Motor Company was founded by the motorcycle builder Soichiro Honda in October 1946, but the history of the company goes way back to 1937 when Honda, along with his friend Kato Shikiro, started Takasaki. The company won the contract to build piston rings for the Toyota Company for a short period of time, but later lost the contract owing to the poor quality of products. Toyota Motor Corporation was started as a division of Toyota Automatic Loan Works in 1933 under the ownership of Keikiro Toyota, which was later renamed as the Toyota Motor Corporation in 1937. Honda introduced its very first full-fledged engineered product in 1949 known as the Model D, and it was the first motorcycle manufactured by Honda, which he appropriately named the Dream D-type motorcycle. Honda produced their first four-wheeled vehicle, a small pickup truck, in 1963 and named it T360. Toyota released their first production vehicle, the Model A sedan, in 1936. Toyota introduced the world's first mass-produced hybrid vehicle, the Prius, to the general public in Japan in 1997 and released it worldwide in 2001. Honda is the market leader in the two-wheeler segment and has been known for their reliability and economical cars. Honda is more like a people's brand, and they manufacture vehicles that connect to the road. Minimalistic designs, simple yet beautiful with no extra bells and whistles. Honda cars are a little more sophisticated, which allows them to make more conventional vehicles. Toyota, on the other hand, is all about fuel efficiency and safety at its best and less about the overall driving experience. This is why all of Toyota's vehicles look similar in design. Honda cars are known for their high-quality engines and proprietary fluid formulations. They develop a unique maintenance program for each of their vehicle they manufacture to keep tabs on the vehicle's maintenance needs. Honda recommends its proprietary fluid called Honda Bond for all their vehicles, be it the brake fluid, the gear oil, or power steering fluid. Toyota is all about safety and dependability when it comes to maintenance, so they are more likely to stick to standard fluid selection in their vehicles. Global reach for Honda and Toyota. Toyota is still the most popular brand in the UAE because of its reliability and affordability. Toyota Corolla, with more than 43 million units sold worldwide, is still one of the most popular sedans in the world, and Toyota Camry is the people's choice of car among the America's richest residents. The company's top line includes hybrids and coupes, which have earned it a great deal of popularity in the global market. Honda's entry crossover SUV, the CR-V, is one of the best-selling SUV in the United States. Honda still triumphs in the sports vehicle segment with the legendary NSX, which represents the ultimate combination in sportiness and efficiency. Both Honda and Toyota are the two biggest names in the automotive industry and the most valuable auto manufacturers in the world, who have been battling over for the top spot in the auto industry for almost 2 decades. Despite being the highest quality automakers in the world, both can see their vehicles very different. Regardless of their global reputation, Toyota is the world's largest automaker in terms of sales and is the market leader in the hybrid electric vehicle segment. Honda is the largest manufacturer of internal combustion engines worldwide and has been the market leader in the two-wheeled segment since 1959.